This is going to be a super interesting video because I do have a desktop vacuum right here. They're so popular right now, and we're going to test it out for the very first time. I've got a desk, obviously, and I brought in some pepper. Now let's talk about the actual vacuum before we do the test. This thing actually pops out just like this, and you do have a filter that you can take out. Let's see if I can do it. Ah, there you go. Perfect. So you got that kind of little filtration, and that's the fan sucking it all up. So this is where the stuff is going to kind of get sucked in and trapped. And you do have a second filter that they do provide in the box. That's a really nice thing to have. I do love the little bristles right here. They're really nice and hard, so when you are going on the surface, you're kind of moving up those particles, and it's going to ease or make it easier to suction up. And all you do is have that, all you have is that little button right there to turn it on or off. It does come with this, and we're going to try it out as well. This literally fits right here, and it's kind of a more focused way to suction, so we're going to try that as well. And they do provide you with a little brush, probably just to clean the bristles type of thing. And of course, this whole thing is USB rechargeable, which is really nice right here. So, as promised, we're gonna put in some pepper. Okay, so, you know, I don't think my desk would ever get that filthy, but let's see if this little vacuum can work. I'm gonna turn it on. So there's only one speed. So I'm gonna turn it on. I was not expecting that because it doesn't feel like there's got a lot of suction, but clearly it doesn't need to. It's really on that surface. So let's see. Look at this. It's all there. Obviously, I would clean this up over a garbage or a place where I need to clean things up. But let's see. You've got look at this. I got a little bit of pepper right here that I just dropped. We're gonna use that little so you can actually see it. You know what? This one is okay, but it's not as cool as just like actually just going around and around on your desktop. This thing is fantastic. It actually works.